Look at my antenna. Look at my antenna. Poor boy. Good guys, the F-150. Is that my antenna? Oh dear Lord. The F-150 is going to get replaced, I think. I think now is the time to do it. The truck is 6 years old now. It's a 2018, and we're in 20. Oh, good heavens. As I said, guys, it's a 2018 truck, so you know we're at 106,000 miles. Bloody hell, man, it's getting there, guys. So I think I'm gonna have to replace it. This truck, Big Bertha needs to retire, guys. She has done so much. She's made us money. I've made videos off of this thing. This was my whole criteria off the 3.3 XLs, and loved it, guys. I loved it, but I think it's time to switch it up, and I'm gonna see if the car industry is what it is today. But we're about to find out big time, guys. We're about to find out. This thing, oh my god, my antenna. Oh dear heavens, oh dear heavens. Well, let's see what couple parts fell off my truck, because every time I go through these car washes, something gets loose on the truck. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate you all joining me. And today we got my 2018 F-150 XL. If you guys are longtime subscribers, you know we've had this thing brand new from the lot 6 years ago, I guess 7 years ago now. And as I said, this thing is an XL, but we've done numerous changes to this thing that it is hardly recognizable as a fleet truck. So with that, this truck has been so good to me, guys, that I feel like it's time to retire Big Bertha, guys. It is time to retire her, as she has done so much work for us. And oh, that lady's probably like, what is this guy doing? As you can see, we are sitting at 106,000 miles on this thing, and she has been problem free. Well, for the most part. We did have to replace a pinion seal. We did have to replace both the front hub assemblies. I did have to replace the spark plugs, oil changes, all the basic maintenance stuff, brake pads. But those are pretty much it. Everything else on this truck has been mwah, excellent. I love it. The interior has been changed up a bit. We still have the XL fake vinyl seats. We have replaced our head unit with an iDoing. Beautiful head unit. By the way, you can pick this up at f1truckmods.com. This thing was a game changer for this truck. As if you guys remember, I had a tiny little 4-inch screen, but this thing, 12.1, is a beast. Replaced the steering wheel, added some trim pieces. We got a throttle controller. We got some auxiliary lights. We have a dash cam, guys. We've done so much to this truck. It is absolutely insane, and I am ready to upgrade, guys. 106,000 miles. The truck has been so good to me, and I've done my best to try and take care of it as well. So with that, guys, we are in the infant stage of either purchasing a brand new truck or buying a used truck. We're gonna see, according to all the videos, the hundreds and hundreds of videos on YouTube about people saying car industry crash, automotive crash happening 2025, 2024. It's here, it's happening. I'm gonna go to the lot in my area. I'm in Virginia, and we're gonna see what's out there. Maybe there's no trucks, maybe there's a bunch of F-150s, we'll see, but we are currently in the infant stage. I'm gonna go to CarMax and see if we can get this thing appraised and see what they'll give me for an XL. I do have future plans for this truck to remove all the vinyl wrap, remove as much of the mods as I can, and go back to stock. I think we'll see what we can do from there, but and see if it's in my budget. Maybe they'll give me some good trade-in value for this thing. As you know, Ford F-150s are, they're a lot. They're a dime a dozen, guys. There's a ton of them on the street. They're America's top-selling truck for like 107 years in a row or something like that. But it's also the most recalled vehicle, if you could believe it. I still have one recall to fix. I think there's a seatbelt issue or something. They said if I ever get in a collision, the seatbelt system could start a fire. So I should probably get that addressed ASAP. So we've had F-150s pretty much majority of my life. My dad is on his second one. He had an 03, and then now he has a 2013 F-150. This is my first ever 2018 F-150 that I purchased brand new. This truck has been great to me, and I've been trying to take care of it. It's been awesome. It has been problem-free apart from those couple of little maintenance things I had to do, which apparently is common. So, you know, it's not a big deal. But again, guys, I'm gonna be shooting for an F-150. My criteria is pretty simple. I do construction, so I'm definitely gonna need a bed. I don't need an 8-foot bed. Definitely either 5.5 or 6.5 is fine. I've been working with 5.5 this whole entire time, and it's worked. I've had to carry 16-foot PVC trims on this truck, and it's doable. I've done it, but of course, maybe a 6.5-foot bed would be ideal. This truck is a 4x2, so we're definitely gonna go with 4x4 on the next one. This truck is a super crew cab. And we're sticking with it, boys, because I love it. 4 doors just completes the truck. It looks more truck-like, if that makes any sense, guys. So we're sticking with Super Crew cab. I don't want an extended cab. I don't want the regular cab. I want the Super Crew. That's my criteria. I think that is it pretty much. Everything else, I'll just tweak it along as we go with this truck, but that's it, guys. Not too picky about it. As I said, this truck was an XL and I've made it work. It's worked for me. So I've made this truck work and I feel like I can make the next one work. So as I said, guys, we are shooting for an F-150. For now, I'm gonna go and see what they have on the lot. Apparently it is it's car industry season. It's crashing, I think, from what everybody says, which I think is a joke. I don't know why people are talking so much about it. They're saying truck prices are going down and truck prices are going up, or they're going, it's all a mix and a flip-flop, guys. They do say that they have been storing them in parking lots elsewhere, so it looks like their inventory is low, but I don't know, guys. We're gonna go and check it out. Again, we are in the infant stage of purchasing a new truck. Maybe I'll get a 2025, or maybe I'll just wait for a 2026. There is just a bunch of possibilities, and I'm still doing all my research right now, guys. But I figured I might as well tag you guys along with me, as this is a pretty big deal. When I bought this truck, I knew zero about, 1, buying vehicles, and 2, buying a truck itself. So my budget, I'm still figuring that out right now, as I do have a ton of expenses happening. You know, life happens. I'd love to buy a brand new truck. I'd love to have an XLT nicely loaded with some options, but if not, guys, I'm cool with just waiting it out, maybe for a 2026, or maybe they have 2024s on the lot, guys. We'll see. Well, this dealership seems to have a decent number of F-150s and 250s. They do have a crap ton of Bronco Sports, that's 100% for sure, but this is their lineup. Not much, but surely they must have more in some other lot or inventory or something, guys, but let's go check it out. All right, everything here is XLT. There's only like maybe 3 or 4 XLs that they had. Those 2 back there, and those things have the V8 in them, and that would be nice, but I don't really need a V8, guys. I'm happy with a base level engine. These 2 over here, the regular cab short beds, the RCSBs as they call them. They got 1 Lightning, that thing's like 68K. These 2 are 43, 45K, so not bad, but still not anywhere near my budget, guys. Oh, so far that 2-wheel drive XL extended cab has been the closest thing at 43K. Yeah, I need the Super Crew, and I need 4-wheel drive. I don't need it, but it would be nice to have it. But man, this is not what I was expecting. They must have another lot elsewhere with inventory. I'm gonna see if I can talk to somebody real quick, because golly. This is their lot. Not much. They must have something else out here, but this is a beautiful truck. F-150, this is the 3.5 liter. Oh, this is the 5.0 V8. Boy, comes out to 62K, but we do get an XLT mid discount of 2K. It's not terrible, but it's a beautiful truck, I won't lie. Really, their only XL. Man, it's an extended cab. Let's see how much this baboon goes for. 43K, all right, not bad. And this is the 2.7 liter V6. All right, definitely want the Super Crew. The bed size is nice though, I like that. Maybe I should just keep the 2018, guys, because these trucks, their only XLT here is freaking 48K, guys. Here it is. They got a couple of regular cab short beds over there. They're running for 48K, I think, with a 5.0 V8. Everything else either has a 3.5 liter or a 2.7 liter. Check out these XLTs. We got one over here in ruby red, and this one too. Both look absolutely gorgeous. I don't like this. I don't like added extras on here. This boy, 65K with a nice little 2K discount. This is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. All right, not bad. I definitely do love the color. Oh, we do have the power station in the back. It's got sport. Oh man, this thing's not focusing. Off-road status. Man, dude, I love the digital cluster. That's beautiful. that was that. This was the first dealer that I went to. I went to go check out their inventory. A car salesman came out. I was pretty much straightforward with him and I let him know, I was like, hey, this is more me being curious than I am serious. And it was a slow day for them. You could see all the salesmen were just talking amongst each other. So he was cool with it. He showed me this 2024 STX with a 5.0 V8 in it, and I liked it. He showed me around the lot. It was really cool, but the sticker was around, I think, 48 or 49. And that was a little too steep for me. In the meantime, they went to take my truck out to drive it around the lot, took some pictures of it, and they gave me my trade-in value if I were to trade it in right then and there. And once he went to go talk to the manager, he came back and basically said that they can offer me 10 to 12K on this truck. But they said if we were to sit down on the numbers, they said they could probably push it all the way up to 15K. And that was that, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe for the next step.